What's up guys, it's Aaron, and today I'm going to show you how to invest in stocks on the Cash App with as little as $1. I'm going to be walking you through how to sign up and then how to find, buy, and sell stocks within the app. So grab your phones and let's get started. A few things before we get into the thick of it though. Number one, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Number two, I'm not sponsored by the Cash App or anyone else for this video. I think it's just a great beginner's platform for investing. And number three, if you could, please hit the like button down below. It helps me out a lot. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is search for the Cash App on the App Store. It's this one with the green icon here, so go ahead and download that. And once it finishes downloading, go ahead and open it up. It's gonna ask for a phone or an email. I'm gonna go ahead and just put in my email. Hit next. And now we're gonna have to confirm our email. You should get a code. Just put that code in and hit next. Now you need a way to fund your Cash App account, so we're gonna put in our debit card number. Once you're all done there, hit next. It's gonna ask for your first and last name. Just go ahead and enter that and hit next again. And this is where you get to choose a username. You're gonna get the option to refer friends for $15. Just hit skip for now. And it's off to the home screen. So now you've got a Cash App account. You can also use this account to send and receive money as long as you've got someone else's username. Now let's get back into the app and buy our first stock. And once we're on the home screen, we're gonna hit this little icon down here, go to the investing app, and let's click on discover a stock. We'll do banking and finance, and let's have a look at PayPal. So if we wanted to buy some PayPal, first thing we do is just hit buy. You can spend as little as $1, but we're gonna spend a little bit more today. So click on the three dots and let's buy $5. Now we have to confirm our identity for federal banking regulations, but don't worry about it. I've been using the Cash App for a really long time. Your data is gonna be secure. I've never had an issue with them whatsoever. So first we're just gonna reconfirm our name from earlier. It's gonna ask you to enter your date of birth and then the last four of your social security number. And now if you used your email to sign up, you're gonna have to input a phone number, hit next, and then you'll get a code to confirm your phone number, just like we did with our email. All right, and next we're gonna have to confirm our employment status. I'm employed, hopefully you are too. If you're employed, you're gonna have to put in your employer's name. Confirm that you don't have any conflicts of interest. You probably don't, so you'll most likely just hit no. And then you get to choose a PIN. You can pick whatever 4-digit number you want. Then you're gonna hit schedule and you're done. Congrats on your first stock purchase. Now that we know how to buy a stock, let's go back to the home page and I'm gonna show you a couple of really interesting features that could help you find stocks that you might be interested in buying. Let's go back to the investing dashboard, and it looks like we've lost a penny already. Not ideal, but I know we'll get it all back. Now we'll go ahead and scroll down here. You can see a couple of things. The first thing you'll notice is this news. Generally, this is about bigger stocks or just overall market information, so this can help you get a good handle on the current situation. If we scroll down a little bit more, you'll see I've got a following list here. I've already got Visa and Tesla. This just allows you to keep an eye on stocks you're interested in. So let's add another one. Go to banking and finance and let's keep an eye on Square. Let's say I wanted to buy Square, but maybe not yet. All I'll have to do to keep an eye on it is hit the follow button down here. And then if I go back to the home screen, there it is in my following tab, so I can keep an eye on it. Let's scroll down a little further. This is an interesting section. This shows you the top traded stocks on the Cash App, so you can sort of see what other people are interested in. Tesla, Apple, and Amazon, really no surprise. Scroll down some more and we've got our biggest daily movers. This just shows you which stocks moved the most either up or down in the last day. Finally, we've got this interesting little stock lesson from the Cash App called My First Stock. It seems a little corny, but it's actually got some good information. All right, let's go back to the top and I'm gonna show you all how to search for a stock. So hit the magnifying glass and let's look for Ford. So I happen to know Ford's ticker is F, but it's not showing up, so if you just type in Ford, there it is. Go ahead and click on that and let's have a look here. See, you can look at the price history for a day, a week, a month, a year, or its entire history by hitting all. With Ford here, we go back to about 1995. And if we scroll down, we get some more information about the stock. You've got some news here, a short bio, who the CEO is, the number of employees. Scroll down a little further, you've got the stock price, the company's total market cap, and lots of other information. That's how the app works. There is one more thing we haven't done yet though, and that is selling stocks. So let's jump back in and I'll show you how to do that. All right, so let's go back to the home screen. From the home screen, if you scroll down a little bit to My Portfolio and click on PayPal, you'll see the sell button here. And let's just go ahead and sell all of it. So click all, and then you'll click next. You'll have to confirm your PIN just for security, which is a good thing. And then just hit confirm and you'll sell out of your position completely. And that's it. Now you know how to sell stocks as well. So there you have it. That's how it all works. You know, up until recently, you couldn't buy stocks for free from anywhere. You had to pay a broker a fee anytime you wanted to buy or sell stocks. And now there's a ton of free brokerages like Cash App, Robinhood, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade that let you buy and sell stocks completely for free. But I really believe that the Cash App is a great place for beginners to get started. It doesn't throw all this data at you that's going to confuse you because you don't know what it means. You get to look at the fundamentals of a company, learn about its price history, learn a little bit about what they do, who the CEO is, and buy and sell in small increments. So there's no more excuses for you not to get started, right? You can buy Amazon with just $1. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys bought. I'm curious. Or if you have any questions for me about the Cash App or any other brokerages or any financial stuff whatsoever, just leave a comment down below. And if you stuck it out to the end, thank you very much. If you haven't already, please leave a like down below and I'll see you in the video next Tuesday.